Now, let's open more. See the rubbish pile over here? Yeah, you see the rubbish pile. I love chalking. Ah! I'm just going to pull the string. You do think it's going to be? Let's... Oh, I see it. Do you guys see it? Let's rub it. Hey, Cameron, if you rub it, will it get more seen?
I don't think so.
Will it get clear?
I don't think so.
Whoa.
Really?
Oh, it got more clear, look. It's like an orange minion. So hard to take out. He's a skateboard minion. He's a bit torn. See? And his feet are wobbly. And he only has 3 toes, which is the bad thing. And he has no pants under. It's a skirt. And he only has 3 fingers. He's like this. This is his 3 fingers. Like this. Let's see what Skateboard Man's name is. I think he's on a vacation. Where's the vacation aisle? It's on the other side of the vacation aisle. Yes, it's in the vac. Surf's Up Minion. His name is Surf Up Minion. How depressing. Surf's Up Minion. His name is Surf's Up Minion.
Yep.
Now, look at this. Look at this. Bam, 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 bam. Do you got a computer? Because I want to play Roblox. Bam, 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 bam. Do you have a guitar? Because I want to play the beat. Bam, 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 bam.